channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I am Neelam Chauhan. Today's video is all about the pampering session. As you all know, because of lockdown, salons are not accessible. At least in Mumbai, we are not able to access yet. And I don't know, I have been feeling so low for no reason. So I thought to pamper myself for changing my mood and get some motivation. So this video may helpful to you as well to get some motivation, and you can get out of your bed to pamper yourself to feel good. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you will get notification whenever I will post video on my channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, I will wash my face with this Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. This face wash brushes are very gentle, so it will exfoliate at the same time. So I will not physically exfoliate my face. Then after I will use this Miniso nose strip. I am using this from past 2 years and I am loving it. This has to be used on wet nose because it will stick properly. Then after I will wipe out my face because I want to use the clay mask after that. Of course I have to wait for the nose strip, so till the time I will use this 9 to 5 Lakme matte finished green tea variant clay mask. So I will utilize that time. Here I am enjoying some background music and vibing with the pampering session. You can completely see lockdown effect, so I have decided to shave my hand and legs. I am using Gillette Venus and the Bombay Shaving Company's shaving cream. You can use the conditioner as well because conditioner is also working very good. So you only need the lubricative thingy because then after your skin will be not dry. Here I am shaving in the same direction and then after I will do the opposite direction. Reason being as I have some ingrowth problem, so I can be avoid by this method. If you have any ingrowth problem, you can definitely do the same direction and then after opposite direction. After shaving, I will wash my hand with normal water and you can see the glow. Here my face pack is also dry and it's time to peel off this nose strip as well. So I am peeling it out. It's kind of a painful, but trust me, it is so satisfying. Now I will wash this clay mask as well and you can completely see the glow on my face. Now I will use the hair mask. Of course this is pampering session, so we can't avoid the hair mask. So here I am using the yogurt and the hibiscus powder. After applying this, I will cover with the cap and keep it for 20 to 25 minutes. Till the time I will utilize this time, and I am doing here leg shaving. You can completely see how gently this razor is removing my hair, but I need to change because I have already used so many times. I don't even remember how many times. And after shaving, you can see glow on my legs. This is all because of the lubricative thingy we have used. You can use cream or completely use the conditioner. Conditioner gives same effect. I am done with my shaving so quickly, so I will utilize this time on my extra moisturization. Here I am using the Tri Sugar sheet mask. You can use any of your favorite sheet mask. You can use chilled sheet mask as well. You can keep 15 minutes before in fridge. Here I am using the lip scrub from Namia and I will scrub my lips. I will use this excess serum on my neck, or you can use on your hands as well. Of course it's been a 15 minutes, so I will remove the sheet mask and you can see the glow on my face and the big smile on my face because it was so refreshing and it was a wow feeling. After 25 minutes, I will wash my hair with normal water and will remove all the hair pack, and then after I will use the shampoo. Here I am using the Scent Botanica Pro Keratin, and then after same brand hair mask I am using. You can use any. I am done with my shower. Here I am using the Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro because moisturization is must. Then after I will use the Blue Heaven lip balm because of course lip balm is also must. And after I am using Garnier Light Complete Body Lotion, you can use any of body lotion of your choice. Here I am removing excessive water on my hair and using serum. I will not use hair dryer until and unless it is too urgent. You can definitely see the happiness on my face. There are music going on in background. I am vibing with the full of energy and the good mood. If somehow this video motivates you, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will see you in my next one. Please don't forget to share with your friends. Bye.